Ready? The U.S. celebrated record high school graduation rates 5 times in the past 5 years. But test scores have been flat, raising red flags about grad rate inflation. Of course, schools offer supports to students at risk of not graduating. Chief among them, credit recovery, makeup classes that give failing students a second chance to graduate on time. While widespread, participation is uneven. 39% of all students taking credit recovery attend just 8% of high schools. At that volume, schools create a quality problem, where second chances become inferior second tracks to graduation. But these schools also have far more poor and minority students, making this quality problem an equity problem. Despite much lower test scores and grad rates, these peak credit recovery schools have the highest graduation rate gains, bolstering fears that lowered expectations will leave many graduates unprepared. Done well, credit recovery gives students second chances. Done poorly, it offers our least advantaged a second track that can harm students and schools. To learn more about my take on credit recovery, check out the link in the description below. Also, let us know what other topics you'd like our scholars to cover in 60 seconds, and be sure to like and subscribe for more research and videos from AEI.